Flatten the bed and turn the patient to supine position. Using the skin prep wipe provided with QiVi, perform perennial care and pat the skin dry to remove any moisture. Hold the device such that the cranial tubing is upright and the device flaps are extending outward. Align the distal end of the device at the perineum and place the device taut over the labia with the urine collection chamber contouring the urethral opening. While holding the device in place, starting from the top, remove the first half of the adhesive liner and smoothly adhere the adhesive over the suprapubic region. Repeat the process for the second half of the adhesive liner. With the distal end connected to suction canister, connect the suction tube with the QiVi device. Ensure all connections are secure, after ensuring the device is adequately contouring the urethral opening. Return the patient to their natural positioning